big cone funnel forming right off to our 9 o'clock. Just a couple of hail reports. Another wall cloud report just came up a second ago. Wall cloud rotating faster near Pleasanton.
Rotating near Pleasanton, okay.
Golf ball hail in the core.
Okay. 3.75 inch hail marker now.
We'll see when we get in there. It's definitely very broad rotation.
And you can see the base in that line there. So you got that lowering. Big fat lowering.
Okay, we're coming up on exit 300. We're going to go up through Wood River and then continue our north pursuit and then find a nice road and go west. Looks like our turn to the west is in 6 miles. Brief tornado touchdown, but it just lifted. Location? 12 miles north-northwest of Gibbon, and that was reported by an NWS employee.
Big cone funnel forming right off to our 9 o'clock.
Yeah, we got it, thanks. Perfect.
We're here.
Yeah, we got it. Tornado in progress.
Tornado on the ground.
We're turning left.
Look at that.
Oh, and Bruce, here's your classic supercell tornado. Yes. This would be glorious. Careful. We got a bunch of gravel. Let's turn to gravel.
And vehicles, slow down.
Just sucking it.
Yeah, M1, we're thinking of probably going up probably only another mile or so, let this thing evolve here a little bit, and wait for this thing to start rotating again, so we may hang back in the path and wait for this thing to evolve. Looks like it's a little ways away here yet. Okay, that sounds good. We'll figure out some kind of strategy here, whether we want to like play around with some pre-deployments here, little transects, that kind of thing. We'll probably give it some time too, because we don't want to miss it when it happens. Yeah, exactly. My thoughts exactly. I don't see any tight rotation yet. We may pull off and stop. Probably even. We'll go with another one. Looks like a funnel starting to form or rotate in the center.
To the left too. Got some rising.
We see a little funnel in the center of it there, a lowering in the center. Yeah, we got it too.
Yeah.
Just thinking about taking this road north. What do you think, Bruce? Hold on 1 second, M2. We got a tornado. Excellent. Let's go into our tornado relative mission. So I think given where the storm's at right now, M2, we're going to go ahead. Why don't you give us some room and you basically follow, but stay right on this apex of this RFD and then work that region. M2 copies.
M3 is going to go up about 1 or 2 miles here.
That sounds good. We're going to get a little distance from you, but we're going to cover that area just south or southeast of the tornado. Probe is going to get up and plan for an intercept. Sounds good. Tony, I think you know what you're doing, so let's make a good deployment out of this. M2, you can probably come forward again and come on up here, because this thing isn't going to come to us very fast, so I think we have to go to it. M2 copies. So I want you to come on up here, and you can see the apex of the RFD here. I think you can see it pretty well. Basically, it's right in front of us. You may have to play some games about going actually north a mile, but I think in terms of safety, we're in good shape. This thing's moving like a snail. So, yeah, come on out. You may get it. I think maybe north a mile might be a good idea on this one, and then sample that the apex of the RFD back and forth there.
Gonna go 1 more mile.
Roger. We're gonna float north on this gravel road here and kind of wait for it to come to us. Yeah, I think what you should do is actually float north on that gravel road, but don't wait for it to come to you because it's going to take too long to get there. And the thing is slow moving like a snail, so I think you can go ahead, go north, and then go west, and get into the apex of the RFD area. Okay, roger that.
going to stop at this north-south road here. She appears to be roping out right now.
Yeah, M3, make sure you get back into the RFD.
Roger, we're going to try to go north a little bit here. It's, yeah, it's roped out. Tornado is roped out.
Somehow or another, we got out of position, and we're on some roads that were flooded. So we're going to have to go south. We're way out of position here. I'll say you're right. Looks like you're right in the core. Yeah, we had to battle some roads that were flooded and try to do our best to get around, and we got in the wrong position. Are you going to be able to get off those roads? We're heading back to the stop sign. We'll be going south.
Alright, get out of the car and enjoy the weather, guys.
I think I will.
I'll be ready to move. Okay, we're gonna hang here. Drops again.
Well, even if it gets close now, George looks like it's going to go to another charge here on the side. Let's go ahead and get in position. We'll get the through Genesis flow field.
Roger that, yeah. The area of interest I'm looking at looks to be just to our west, maybe a hair north of west here, so it's possible this thing might kind of pass real close to us. Nothing immediately imminent, but there's definitely some upward motion into tight areas of circulation. Yeah, kind of next to each other. I don't know what's going on.
George, she's on Husker Road. Roger. Because we are, Tony, M3 and M1 are on Husker Road right now, just ahead of the developing mesocyclone here. Roger. Right, rotation right now is not rapid. There's some weakly rotating rain curtains right underneath that developing low-level mesocyclone. But again, it's weakly rotating right now. Should be safe coming right down Husker Road if you hustle too. Do you want to move a little bit west and sample the new RFD in there?
Yeah, I think we can do that.
We're going to do the same thing. We're going to roll west as well and get back on the RFD apex here, and we'll sort of take Chris's position, M2's position for the time being.
Alright, Roger, yeah, we're going to go about a mile or so. Got some pretty good cascading differential motion, a little bit of circulation has developed, I think. Yeah, we're looking at both right now. Winds are blowing in our face though, so we got northerly winds here at this spot. The one off to the east, though, has really got a good wall cloud rotation to it now. Possible funnel in it.
Yeah, it does. We're going to sample this north-south road we're on, actually, right in front of it.
We got a funnel forming on the western rotation now.
Yeah. Hey, Paul, you getting this one up here, Paul? Up to the left.
Yeah, we have a horizontal funnel forming on the eastern side of the westernmost rotation. That other area is rotating pretty hard too. This could get interesting in a hurry.
Yeah, sure could. We're going to go up here and use it south side, flip around, and continue on our mission east and southeast of this thing.
Funnel is still here. Starting to lose it now. And it's still there. Which one's gonna do it first? Seriously. What else it was?
Tony, how's your circulation doing back there?
The funnel is dissipated, it looks like, but we got a lot of cascading motion, still some pretty hard rotation. Now, we're trying to take bets as to which ones of these are going to do it first.
Reduce that vortex, but two secondary vortex mesocyclones.
Start to laminate on the back end.
Might be seeing a funnel forming on the back end of the easternmost rotation. I think you're right, for God's sakes. Seems like waiting for an invitation. I've never seen something spin so hard for so long and not do it. Alright, our westerly winds are increasing a little bit. Let's go east. Get back up with this thing. Drops a meter in front of us, then right. Jesus Christ, it's gonna hit Grand Island.
What's our options to go south of the town and then up east? Or
Probably up the interstate. Yeah, we'll have to probably get south on the interstate and then find a north road at some point, unfortunately, because we don't have a whole lot of options.
Well, it's only a couple of miles.
Yeah, that'll be alright. Alright, now I'm hoping this does not occur.
Not right now.
If it does, this town's in trouble. Alright, another little funnel starting to form to our north.
Okay, we can go a mile on this one, and then it turns back east.
I'm gonna just kind of point myself. I'm gonna point myself. Oh, fuck. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do.
Let's just go across the road first.
I'm gonna go north a mile and then cut up to here. Yeah, M3 is observing a real tight area rotation here on the south side of Grand Island.
Thank you, M3, and M1 sees the same thing too. We're going to head back north and try to get into our storm relative position, although we have interstate problems now.
Roger, we're going to try to get up behind her.
M2, it's very important that you get south enough to get into some inflow. We need some inflow ops. Roger, we'll head south until we get the inflow ops, and we'll try to reposition back to our deployment position. Tornado on the ground, guys. We had a huge step for the meteorologist to our south. We deployed the probe.
You see a tornado over there to her funnel.
All right, we got 3 possible areas of rotation. We got one up to our due north, one to our north-northwest, another to our northeast.
Is this the one probe's on here?
I can't tell. I cannot tell. That's probe's location here. Probe is to our north.
Okay, so it's this one here?
Yeah. Here. This road should be paved. It's on the south side of town here. I'm just gonna sit right here at the Kawasaki. Sorry for the blocked view, but
No problem.
I don't want to get up there on 34 just yet.
No, I agree.
Okay, Tony, we're getting back in position on this thing. Just stay southwest of the action area. We're going to try to... Actually, Tony, take our position and we'll take yours.
Roger, we're going east.
Where are you relative to the area of concentrated rotation?
Probably about a mile to its south. We're 1 mile south of 34 heading east.
So you're east of 281?
We are now east of 281. Yes, we just turned off 281 heading east.
Thank you. We're going to take your position. You cover ours.
Roger, heading east.
Probe just had a successful deployment, over.
Excellent, excellent. Which tornado was that? Was it east or west of the road? We saw several funnels.
The one across 281.
East or west of 281?
281 and 34.
Okay, so it was right on 281.
Right on 281, that's correct.
Roger. Wow, the wind's really whipping up here.
We got dust on the ground.
All right, we got a possible tornado on the ground to our northeast. Yeah, weak tornado on the ground to our northeast, just dust. I do not see a condensation funnel. All right, we do have a funnel underneath that dust swirl. Confirmed tornado on the ground to the northeast on the east side of Grand Island.
I see a little funnel.
Yeah, we got a tornado on the ground east side of Grand Island. All right, funnel's reaching halfway to the ground on the east side of Grand Island. Dust swirl on the ground. There is a tornado on the east side of Grand Island.
Okay, you're clear right.
No, I'm not clearing front here. This poop shit needs to go.
Well, he ain't gonna go. He's gonna have to go around.
He's gonna go.
Is that from that white funnel, Tony?
Negative. It's further east. The white funnel's actually due north. This looked like a satellite of some sort here. It was hard to say. We just saw the dust on the ground and the funnel kind of poked out from the front side of it and came down.
Okay, we're sampling the right in the back side of the mesocyclone here, and the RFD is cascading across. But right now, not particularly hard. Good rotation, but not particularly hard RFD.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, we got the rotation due north here. Probably gonna end up on 34 and punch east a little bit. In fact, I'm afraid what we're gonna have to do is shoot north on one of these next two roads.
Well,
Yeah, road will go through.
oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that then. Bonsai baby.
So that's 4. Cascading motion behind us too. Woo. Be a good road. Don't fuck with me now. All right, guys, we're gonna take a chance. We're gonna go east to this road. We're gonna cut up north and blast the fuck out east. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to drive right underneath this thing to do it. So
I'm going to belt up.
yeah, belt up. Hold on. We're going in.
We're going in. Clear right.
Clear right, clear left. And we still have a funnel on the northeast side of the main area. Occasional dust still into the ground underneath it. Is that it? What the hell is that? Under that cone.
I see the cone. I don't see the dust.
I don't know, it's intermittent. Might have another tornado. God damn, it's everywhere. We're gonna go north up here.
Whoa. Stop. Right here.
All right. We got a tornado forming. We got a tornado forming off to our immediate north. Debris. Tornado took down 2 trees to our north.
Tony, where are you?
We are 5 miles east of 281 on the road south of Highway 34.
Is the tornado still there?
We have lost visual. We still have the funnel off to the northeast, and we have this area of rotation off to our immediate north.
Coming across right here, Tom. Right here.
Tornado's forming in front of us now, right off to our east. There are circulations all over the place with this, guys. Be very, very careful. copy.
And Chris got it. We feel like we're in great position.
Coming this way, we gotta get the hell out of here.
Roughly half a mile.
We gotta get out of here, like now.
All right, let's go.
Wait.
Wow. Can you hear it?
Power flashes.
Yeah. What do you think, guys? Time to move? Yeah, I think we're behind M2.
To the southeast and south of this thing.
Southeast of the tornado. We are a mile south of 34, 5 west of 1A or 14.
Roger, that's perfect. And we'll just stay here and watch it. Major debris going around this thing. We're basically a roll for the hard to go up on you like rugby.
road just south of 36. It's dirt, but it's passable.
Hey, M2, check out my rear window. Oh my. Perfect. That's the end of the trail off to your north. You see those sharp directions? Yeah, that's the tornado. That is big. That is big. And I have to tell you, I've had that interesting feeling when we were flying that probe. So I think this road's going to be passable.
It's roping out, I think.
Yeah, we got power lines.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Another tornado has formed off to our east.
Yeah, we may be hung up here, Tony. This road could be impassable.
Okay, we're done right here.
Roger, yeah, we're stopped. We got a tornado to our east, we got the big tornado to our south west.
Okay, Paul just go ahead and work around and do the grid work to the south and get out of the debris.
Shit. Alright. This is tornado number 7, I believe. In front of us, we got the one that looks like it's roped out. Northwest. We're losing the tornado behind us here. We've got this new...
I can't see anything but dust here behind us. We got to sneak up a little bit further.
Yeah, let's see if we...
Can't see anything but dust here behind us. We got to sneak up a little bit further.
Yeah, let's see if we can get east.
We got traffic coming.
Thanks much. I think a big case can't physically go through, but you never know. Are you guys, this M2, are you guys noting the area of circulation probably near Hampton or so?
We've got a view of a lowering in there. We don't see anything on the ground.
Roger, yeah, we're looking at the same thing.
Card thingy, it'll work, right?
It's a card thingy everywhere. So this sign resembles the gas. Hopefully, this is open. Inside, please prepay inside. Is it open?
I do not see. Yeah, but is it?
I don't know. We're gonna run in and find out. Watch the radio.
Yep. Help me, Paul. Help me watch it.
Yeah, M2's, I think we're going to have another tornado here in just a couple minutes here. Basically due north of our location.
That was a good show.
Looks like a disappearing for town though.
Yeah, thank God.
I know, I was like, oh. Did someone get, did they have a simulation or something like that?
I think so. There were a bunch of things that got hit. Another tornado forming, guys.
Yes, we got 2 successful deployments.
Congratulations, man.
Yeah.
That was the big one.
They say big tornado?
Yeah, big tornado. And Tony's going nuts over there.
The set finger's coming down.
Right. Where is M2?
Man, finally did it. Yeah. 2 successful deployments.
That's what we want. That's the kind of data we want.
M2 was
Good going, boy.
Yeah, congrats, man. God, we kept switching positions and flipping around.
We've got to go all the way east anyway. 3 miles of ride.
Where were you?
We were on we were southeast of the tornado.
Was that looking up there, or are you done? It's whatever they want to do. I just feel like we need to stay many
Let's go east.
Many miles south. We have no business being even close to this thing. I want to be in the corner.
No. We'll stay south of it and watch it.
Right down here.
Turn right.
Well, we'll stop.
We're done for the day.
For the man that's driven through like half dozen tornadoes now, there should be no fear.
So let's
I'm
Things far
hungry.
away.
I've had to shit for 3 hours and I'm hungry as hell. I couldn't. We were busy.
All right, well, let's go. I'd say let's follow this for a while. I'll drive, Tim.
Back window.
We're on a deployment.
Folks, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and tell me what you thought about it in the comments. And if you want to keep the chase going, check out these other 2 chase videos right here on screen, and we'll see you in the next one.